welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions Vetri, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, and many of our clients are immensely benefited regardless of the market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it had happened, what will happen, why it will happen, when and how it will happen, which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. So today is September 6, 2022, Tuesday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance for this day. Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty closed 0.4% down, 39,666.50, while Nifty remained flat at 17,655.60. What happened? On the face of it, it might appear that Bank Nifty fell straight away, whereas Bank Nifty opened a gap up. And then, in fact, at one point in time, it crossed the previous month's high and also it crossed the 40k. In fact, in yesterday's video, we had indicated that it will cross 40k in the coming days, which it had happened. After crossing 40,000, it could not hold at higher levels, and thereafter it started drifting down, and finally it came down, and there was some up move that happened. And once again, during the end of the day, there was some fall, and finally it will settle at 39,666. What we understand from this? Bank Nifty is now going to face resistance at today's high, that is 4073.80, will act as a resistance in the coming days. Anyway, we'll explain at the end of it. Nifty, on the other hand, many of the Nifty components remained flat, which is why Nifty overall remained flat. While Bank Nifty fell, there are other components that supported. So to balance, and Nifty remained more or less flat at 17,655.60. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty is now above the exponential moving average and middle band, and also the 20 exponential moving average. All the exponential moving average one can think of. Nifty, fortunately, it did not fall below the exponential. Yesterday we told that it closed above the exponential moving averages, and it maintained today also. It is above the middle band, which is nothing but the simple moving average. Now, when we look upon the individual components, when we analyze the individual components, banks, Axis Bank fell 1%, Kotak also fell 1%, Federal and IDFC Bank fell 2%, while all other banks remained flat. On the face of it, it appears flat, but HDFC Bank, it crossed 1500 but finally settled at 1490 levels. Same is the case with ICICI also and Kotak also. Kotak formed the first reversal, hence second reversal. In fact, Bank Nifty also formed second reversal. First reversal happened on 19th of August, which is why I am saying today's high might be the high for the coming days at least. Financials, 1% down in Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance, 2% down in Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finance is really looking weak because in the monthly chart, after forming doji star in August, it opened a gap down and now it is going down. Hence, we can expect some more downfall in Bajaj Twins. HDFC also reversed, so we can expect downfall in financials. 1% up in Manappuram, 2% up in M&M Finance, and Sriram Transport Finance had a big jump of 5%. Insurance and cards, LIC fell 1%, ICICI General fell 3%, and 1% up move we saw in ICICI Pru Life, SBI Life and SBI Cards. Oil and Telecom, Reliance up by 1%, while Bharati jumped up by 3%. So overall, Reliance and Bharati supported Nifty today, while Bank Nifty fell. IT, Apple, Intellect, LTA, Emphasis fell 1%, all others remained flat. TCS was trying to go up, Infi also tried to go up, HCL is looking relatively strong, but it is only on relative terms but not on absolute terms, meaning on a standalone basis HCL is okay, but when compared to peers it is looking strong, but it is not a time for entry. On the consumer goods, ABFRL, Asian Paints, Britannia, Colpal, HUL and Nestle all fell 1%, which is why we saw downfall in Nifty today and Nifty remained flat because there is a big fall in all these things. Automobiles, 1% down in M&M, Motherson Sumi fell 2%, Bharat Forge, Hero Motors and TVS Motors jumped up by 1%. Metals, this was one sector which was standing out today. National Aluminium jumped up by 1%, SAIL, Tata Steel and Vedanta all jumped by 1%, while Jindal Steel jumped up by 2%. If you recollect, I have been telling about Jindal Steel for quite some time. It is going up, but one has to exercise caution. Why? Because 446, there was a gap down opening that it formed when the big fall happened. Now, once it reaches that 446 levels, we can expect selling pressure to come in. Hence, one has to be cautious in that stock. Health and Pharma, 1% down in Metropolis, 1% up in Cipla and Lalpath, 3% up move in Apollo Hospitals and Thyrocare. If you recollect, the last 2 days we have been telling about Apollo Hospitals. If people would have watched my video and would have taken the right decision after discussing with their investment advisor, you would have made money. Others, 1% down in Delta Corp, Eris, IEX, Nika and UPL. 2% up move in Jubilant Food, while Adani Enterprise jumped up by 3%. Adani Ports remained flat. Overall, what do we expect for option expiry in this week? That is, day after tomorrow, September 8th. We expect Bank Nifty to stay on the lower side at 38,800.20. On the upper side, 40,700.40. Though we are saying 40,700.20, we feel that even 40,300 Bank Nifty will not be able to cross. Why that level? Even today's high, it cannot take in the near future. That is what the technical says, but I don't know. Nifty 17,354.10. Again, at least for this week, it will hold. If that breaks, please be clear that bears have taken absolute control. Hence, that's a line in sand or sacrosanct. On the upper side, 17,992.20. This is nothing but the high that it touched recently. So that is what we expect the range for this week. Thank you for watching my video.
Audio Jungle.